Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today is Vlogmas day 18. Let me turn my music down. And I'm going to my salon right now because I have 2 appointments. But then we're going to see the lights today, so that'll be fun. And I'm seeing it with my brother and his girlfriend, and Tommy's coming. But I have to get to my work because it's 9:22 and I don't want to be late. Okay, at my studio. And I'm gonna get ready for my 2 brow waxes I have. So I need to wipe this down. My lovely pad, which makes it so much easier. And get rid of this stuff. And these. And get new ones and brow ones, which I need to get my other brow ones because I'm running out a little bit. That's all I have. And put those in there for now. I need to, oh yeah, she wants a tint too, I forgot. So let me get all that stuff. Brush. Need to get my other steps. This is kind of a hot mess in here. In here. In here? Yeah. Okay. Here's my steps. Actually, I might eat some of them when we're starting. Didn't you like this? You want me to use? Got the Christmas music going, and I'm all ready. Okay, I just finished my brow wax and tint, and what the heck? When I opened my wax, it like it was all this crusties, and the crusties are staining. So I was like, let me just take all this off and clean this because I don't know what the heck happened. Do you see that? It's like they're staining my fingers. So I was like, let me do that at least. Because I have to get ready for my next tint. These here. This is my new one. I gotta wash that one. Wash this. Okay. And let me make sure none of these stain my sink. Yeah. I am out of here. Finished for the day. And now I think I'm gonna go home and yeah, get ready for like later today because we're gonna see the lights later and Tommy's coming. I just got home and I am making mac and cheese because why not?
That's what it is.
Okay. Oh, I hate doing this too. I'm going to take my laundry and fold it really quick. Oh my god, my socks are falling out. I'm gonna fold it and then I'm gonna go grocery shopping with my mom. I'm just gonna throw it all on my bed. Hold on. Okay, let me fold all this. And while I'm folding it, I'm gonna be listening to this book. So good. Just got to like more towards like the ending. So surprising. Highly recommend. So yeah, I'm gonna listen to this while I fold this.
Watching that with my other palm. I can do this all by myself.
What are you doing? Why are you so excited? I got my curl out. I don't know how people do the curling with when they like unravel like a chunk of the hair. Have you seen that? You know what I'm talking about? Unravel it. Yeah, like they'll do like a little part and then they'll wrap it around and then they'll like undo it. Have you seen that? Like they're like this and then they go like this.
Oh, I know how to do it.
How the heck
I
do
taught
you?
myself how to do it.
What the heck?
Let me get my color. I'll show you.
Mine's not hot. Why is mine not hot enough? Come on. I'm waiting for mine to heat up. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna pull my hair out.
Mine's getting hot.
I can do it without it. Hang on. So I curl it like this,
Uh-huh.
and then I wait,
Uh-huh.
and then I tuck. You tuck under, like this,
Yeah. You just hold it?
and then you straighten it.
Oh.
You know how long it took me to do that though?
I know. I'm like, I don't know if I have the coordination to do that. Mine's kind of hot now. Hold on.
So then you, like, tuck.
But first you have to actually
Ooh.
curl the whole thing.
I curl the whole thing. Some of these other girls, the way
They
do
don't.
it, they curl it like this,
Yeah.
and then they go.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah,
I'm
you
like,
lost me.
and then now I'm gone. I said I could get the first one. I said, but and then you tuck, and then you tuck.
I see. So then you just leave it there and let it like
Yep.
cool?
Yeah. I've noticed that I've been curling my hair too tight lately.
Uh-huh.
I just start curling it looser.
Me too. I've been like rushing it out a lot.
Yes. But then again, I just don't want it to fall out.
Yeah.
That's why I always like curl it
Mine doesn't either, to be honest. Okay, let's try this. My hair's still wet.
Do that like barely curled and then they let it go and then they do it again.
Yeah.
That I don't know how to do it.
I was like watching Mariana do it and I was like, what the heck is going on here?
How long did it take you to learn that? I'm like, I got that.
Same. I was like, I don't do hair. Mounty. Okay. I actually brushed them out and they look pretty good. I thought it would make it go away, but it didn't. Very nice. Oh my gosh, my camera's dying and I didn't even go to the lights yet. Or maybe it's a good thing because he peed outside instead. So happy. My camera died, that's why I found my phone. I'm trying to charge it for the lights. Oh. He's so crazy. Don't knock the key over. You see this? I never get this. We never get this. I never get this reaction.
No. He did a little bit at the old apartment, but he's.
I told you, I was not lying. I told her. Ooh.
Grumpy. Baby's so cute. He's so handsome.
Oh yeah, for the music. Hot chocolate. Is it good?
Nope.
Nope. For the vlog.
Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter.
What's that? Did you? Here, put it back in my thingy. It's probably my grocery list from today. Oh yeah, my grocery list.
Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December.
There, I was in coffee. Hot chocolate. Whoa. This is cool.
Where am I?
What am I? I feel like I'm in a different. These aren't as fun. Those ones are kind of boring. Huh? Yeah. Should we go? Oh, yeah. Vlogging for Natalie and Kyle to see too,
But I
since they
got
missed it.
to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Would've known I would've made my best friend on that night. Under 1,000 Christmas lights.
That was snow. That was like 2 seconds. Oh, is this the show? Just kidding. Maybe.
Oh, there you go. Look.
Oh. Whoa. Because there's not any real snow in the ground.
Start dancing.
Yeah, go start dancing in the snow. At the North Pole. Get some snow on you. No. Surprisingly, no, it was like diverting from you.
Would've known I would've made my best friend on that